Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and we are a homeschooling family of 2 kiddos ages 8 and 13. And if you are new here, we just recently moved into a new house. Our other house is still on the market, so we are patiently, or trying to be patient, about it selling. But we have been in, today is Saturday, November 7th, I think. So tomorrow will be a week that we've been in the new house, so I thought I would give you a tour of what it looks like now that we are in it. Mind you, it is a mess because we're still trying to figure out where everything is going to go. We have not done school for a week, so I'm hoping tomorrow to sit down and get our schoolwork set up for this coming week, just get back in the groove of things. Otherwise we'll be doing schoolwork in the middle of fireworks season, and we don't want to be doing that. So alright, I'm going to flip you around and we'll show you the house. Alright, so we'll have to kind of go in a circle here because this is a really small kitchen. But we have these awesome doors, or that's a door, that's just a window. Eventually it would be awesome for that to be a door. And we put the cat tree here, and the cats love to sleep here, because when the sun's shining in the window, it is an excellent spot for sunbathing. I still have a few boxes to unpack. I need some more like laminate stuff, what do I want to call it, contact paper, to put on the shelves so I can put these away. What are you flicking your tail for? Huh? Am I interrupting your nap? This is our side entry, which we use right now because our garage is still full of stuff and we have not organized it. Back to doing dishes by hand. I do have a spot for a dishwasher, but that's gonna have to wait till we sell a house and after Christmas. This is our fridge from the other house. Really, it's a bigger kitchen than what we had at our other house, which is fine. Eventually we're gonna take this wall out because this is the basement. Creepy basement right now. We had to have it gutted because of mold. But we're gonna take this wall out basically to the top of the stairs, so this landing will all be open, because eventually we're gonna put Keaton downstairs. We're gonna put him a room down there. There is a door and 2 windows down there, and then there's a bathroom that's not really functional, and then the laundry's down there, hot water heater and all that. Eventually a furnace and an air conditioner, because we do not have AC and we have baseboard heat. So then we would take that wall out and then all of this wall out. And what I'd like to do is take this door out, because this is to the garage, okay? I'll show you our garage. Boxes and stuff that we need to organize. This door goes to the basement. So if we take that wall out, then this is the only door that we need to get inside. So take this out, wall it up, take these cabinets and move them over here, so we're not losing the cabinets. And then all of this would be open to the rest of the house, because here's the dining room. That stuff, I have a share a booth at Trader Bucks with some ladies, so I need to get that ready to go. But yeah, we're still organizing. That's our nice barn back there that we'll utilize for fireworks. And then funny enough, we live next to a greenhouse, so that's all their stuff back there. Yeah, we are getting things organized. It probably doesn't look like it right now, but living room, there is no light in here. Lights in every single other room, but not in here. they had a hanging light. So we gotta get a lamp. But this is our living room right now. That couch is gonna go so that this dresser can go over there, and this table can go over there somewhere. Try not to show, let you hear that, because that's probably a copyright. Miss Kenzie is, are you eating the Nesquik powder? Yes. Okay. Coat closet over there. Front door. Hallway. Hi, Storm. Hi, baby. Oh yeah, we put Storm in the cat carrier, and she cried the entire way over here, which was not very far. This is our room. Our bed is not made. We're a hot mess. So this room was big enough to get Kenzie's bed in here because she typically sleeps with us anyways, and we're trying to get her to sleep in her bed. So we figure it would be easier to do that if we put her in here. So it's unmade, so obviously she's not sleeping in it right now, but we're working on that. So, and really the videos and pictures don't do it justice. It's a pretty big room. Bathroom. The cats are starving and I need to go get food, and I haven't done that yet. Pretty big bathroom. It had doors on here, and we took them off because they were broken and didn't work. Sorry. Censor the cat litter. Our baseboard heat in here. Our shower and bathtub that badly needs redone, but we are going to try to wait a year before we do anything. We've really got to catch up on bills. What's Sissy? It's almost empty. There wasn't much in there. And then this is Keaton's room currently, but it will be Kenzie's room when we get the basement done. He's in his happy place. We gotta take those doors off yet because they don't work. But that is it for now. Hopefully we can get... Oh, I showed him the stairs. It was kind of dark and creepy, huh? Just the stairs. Once you get downstairs, the window and the door is like a full glass door, so... But that's it for now, guys.
That's interesting there. I mean, right there in the last play, Henry, that wasn't out on May. Henry made it look like he was going to go out and then stop. But right now, what do you do? This all looks, they're just standing here.